Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make canned fish curry. Start by draining 1 can of fish and patting it dry, then heat 2 tablespoons oil in a pan. Sauté 1 chopped onion until soft, add 2 chopped tomatoes and spices, and cook until fragrant. Gently fold in the fish and 1 cup coconut milk, simmer for 10 to 15 minutes, and finish with lemon and cilantro for brightness. Warm your pan and trust simple steps for great results. Sauté the onion until translucent, then add spices and tomatoes until aromatic. Stir in 1 cup coconut milk and lower the heat to a gentle simmer. Gently add the drained fish so it absorbs flavors without breaking apart. Taste and adjust salt or lemon for balance, then garnish with cilantro and serve with rice or flatbread for a comforting, quick meal. If you're finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support more easy recipes. Quick recommendation: the Kindle Paperwhite is great for reading recipes in the kitchen without splashing your phone, and it's lightweight enough to carry to the market. Check the description for the link and other deals, and consider grabbing one if you like cookbook convenience. Thanks, and now let's get back to the video. Small changes make a big difference, so experiment with textures and heat. If you prefer a thicker sauce, use tomato paste or toss in spinach and potatoes to bulk up the dish. For a tangier profile, swap coconut milk for plain yogurt and reduce heat to avoid splitting. Adjust chili to taste and try a squeeze of lemon to brighten flavors just before serving for a fresh finish every time.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.